Alright, what I have here is an Abus 7240 that I received a while back, but never made a video on me picking this, so here we go. Alright, so this is a 6-pin lock, and it has a Euro style profile, and it works very well. Alright, so it can be kind of tricky at times, but I think that's just because of the warding. Okay. So I'm going to use top of the keyway with this Euro hook from Sparrows. And I'm just going to work from back to front, trying to get a full set. Alright, so I got the full set, pretty easy. And I'll see if I get any kind of rotation. Okay. Kind of rotation from 3. Now we set. Alright. And from 4. And we're open. Alright. Not too difficult. Now I want to see what's in here, because I never took this lock apart. So I'm thinking it's probably going to be mostly some kind of regular drivers mixed with spools. Okay. Just gotta get the clip off. Good. Okay. And I think this follower is too big. But this is the smallest follower I have. So, okay, so I'm just gonna have to take it apart in reverse. Unless I have something else. No, I don't think I have anything else, so we'll just have to do it like this. It looks like a standard pen would work, but I don't have one laying around. Yeah, usually that small follower works in a lock like this. But I guess this is extra small. So I'll spin all spool pins so far. And okay, so all spools except for the first one. That's a standard pin. Kind of oily, so they're wanting to stick. Alright, the key pins I kind of made a mess of, but that's okay, they're all standard. And let's see, and then all the drivers were just were spools except for the first pin. That was a standard pin, standard driver. And what else can we look at here? Okay. The plug looks filed down a little bit. I'm sure that this was done by ABUS to make it a little easier to turn, but it also made it a little easier to pick. And nothing else unusual here. It is not key retaining, but it looks like I don't believe this can be made key retaining because of the type of mechanism that's in there. Normally you can put a little clip inside for an ABUS lock. And here's the plug, or I'm sorry, the housing here. All normal stuff. And I like the way this is put together with this piece here. This is all aluminum, this body. So this clip is placed over here, and that's the screw that holds everything in place. Alright, nice little lock. Thanks for watching, and happy picking.